Welcome to Defining Dev. Today we're talking about the mobile game design and development process. The concept and design phase of your game development process is crucial. It's going to determine what technologies are used in your game, what platforms it's going to run on, and the overall gameplay experience, how users are going to play the game. This phase and getting it right and getting the details right is going to determine how long your game takes to develop. This is the phase when programmers implement the gameplay in its respective engine, like Unity or Unreal. Artists will generate hundreds of assets to go into the game. That could be backgrounds, 3D character models, things like that. Sound and music are recorded, voiceovers are recorded, and throughout the entire process, we're collaborating closely with you and providing you builds of the game in order to get your feedback and integrate that back in. And so through these iterative cycles, the game proceeds through development. The testing phase is critical because it's during this time that the game's balance is fine-tuned and honed, and overall just technical stability. We really polish it and get it to a point where it's ready for launch. The product launch is the culmination of active development and rigorous quality testing. We will help you get your app on the App Store, ready for download, whatever the platform is. That is going to be supported by either your own organic marketing campaign, like through social media, word of mouth, newsletters, things like that. Alternatively, you could work with an external ad agency that specializes in marketing mobile games. And that way, it's going to help you build out your user base and maximize the amount of players in your game. For a lot of games, development doesn't end after the product launches. Many games these days rely on pushing out regular content updates to players. And that helps not only retain existing players, but bring new players in well after the game is launched. That's the overview of the mobile game development process at Zico. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send us a message.